If your home in Knoxville still has its original windows, they could be costing you more than you realize. Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Over time, even well-built windows begin to fail, leading to higher utility bills and reduced indoor comfort. Knowing when to replace them with energy-efficient options can save you money and improve your living environment. One of the most noticeable signs it's time to upgrade your windows is a steady increase in your energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have been climbing without a clear reason, your windows may be letting conditioned air escape. Older windows, especially single-pane models, lack the insulation needed to keep your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials like double or triple panes and insulating gas fills that help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. Another clear indicator is draftiness. If you feel cold air seeping in during the winter or warm air entering during the summer, your windows are no longer sealing properly. This can make certain rooms uncomfortable and force your heating or cooling system to work overtime. Modern energy-efficient windows provide a tighter seal, eliminating drafts and creating a more consistent indoor climate. Condensation between glass panes is also a red flag. When moisture appears inside your window panes, it usually means the seal has failed. Once this happens, the insulating properties of the window are compromised. Not only does this reduce efficiency, but it can also lead to mold growth or further damage if ignored. Replacing these windows restores both clarity and performance. Difficulty opening or closing your windows is another sign they've reached the end of their lifespan. Over time, frames can warp due to weather exposure, especially in areas like Knoxville where humidity and seasonal changes are common. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to stay open are not only frustrating but can also pose safety risks in emergencies. New energy-efficient windows are designed for smooth operation and improved durability. Noise pollution is something many homeowners overlook. If you can easily hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity from inside your home, your windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Energy-efficient windows often include multiple panes and improved sealing, which significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Visible damage such as cracked glass, rotting frames, or chipped paint should never be ignored. These issues not only affect your home's appearance but also compromise the structural integrity of your windows. Damaged windows can allow moisture to seep in, leading to more costly repairs down the line. Upgrading to new windows enhances curb appeal while protecting your home from the elements. You might also notice fading furniture, flooring, or curtains near your windows. This is often caused by prolonged exposure to ultraviolet, UV, rays. Many energy-efficient windows come with coatings that block harmful UV rays, helping preserve your interior while still allowing natural light to enter. Finally, if your home simply feels less comfortable than it used to, your windows could be the culprit. Uneven temperatures, stuffy air, and excessive reliance on heating or cooling systems all point to inefficiency. Replacing your windows is a long-term investment that improves comfort, reduces energy costs, and increases your home's overall value. For homeowners in Knoxville, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement, it's a smart, practical decision. By recognizing these warning signs early, you can take action before small issues turn into expensive problems. The result is a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable home for years to come.